Paying points to buy down your interest rate. This is Ashley, and I'm with the Complete Mortgage team. It sometimes makes sense for a buyer to purchase points to get a permanent interest rate reduction, meaning pay money up front to get a lower interest rate over the next 30 years. Does it make sense? Well, that depends on your financial situation. It's not a one time, one thing, one answer for everybody. Getting the best mortgage advice for your particular situation is my job, and that's what makes me different from other lenders locally and online. Let's look at your financial situation, run the numbers, and determine what loan product, what process, and where we spend our money makes sense for you. I'm looking forward to working with you. Swipe up, let me know if you're ready to get started, and I am going to walk you through the next purchase of real estate that you have in mind. Thanks so much.